Hi everyone. Today we will learn how we can draw center line in AutoCAD. So let's start. First we have to create a line here and you can on ortho here and off the grid. So I give a distance a meter here. Now you have to go here on the layer, click others and this Linetype Manager box will open here, and if you type here LT on the command prompt it will also open. You have to click on load and select here center line. OK. OK. Type CH change properties, select the object and type here center line. You can see you can increase and decrease the center line setting here if it is not visible. If your drawing is too long, you have to type change properties and change the scale here. I give scale 3. Now it is more wide. So you can adjust your center line scale as per your drawing. Now there is another option here. Now if you change line type to center line here, and now all lines will automatically start with the center line. Let's say I want kid line here. Now it starts from center line. Let's say I want to create circle here. It is center line. So I want to create arc here, center line. Whatever you set here, that line will be appear on your screen when you are drawing line. If you click on line back, and your line will be a solid line. In this way, you can draw a center line in AutoCAD. If you have any comment related to a center line, please comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching.